temperature management for the poultry industry using OBIC Solutions. Farming in factories can now increase productivity while reducing energy expenses. Increasing productivity while controlling costs is tantamount for success. The success mantras of the poultry business include structure of the farm, healthy food, clean water, supplements, and hygiene management. But most important is heat management. Surfaces get heated up by absorbing infrared light from the sun. The effects of heat stress are numerous. One solution to heat stress is the utilization of coatings developed by OBICCool. We can beat the heat when you consider the amount of heat generated by uncoated roofs on a normal day. OBICCool has specialized products for varying substrates applications, such as metal and masonry. Poultry farms can benefit highly from the application of OBICCool, as can be seen from this case study at a farm in Hyderabad. Just look at the effectiveness on this steel roof. The difference that OBICCool can provide in roof cooling is substantial. The temperature difference is astounding. And this is just after 2 coats and prep with OBICCool. The advantages of OBICCool are numerous. Not only can you reduce solar heat from entering the roof, but it keeps the roof cooler by 15 degrees, thus protecting it from expansion, contraction, deterioration. Contact your local representative to learn more about how OBIC Solutions and OBICCool products can help your poultry business save money and increase production.